Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we had begun with a new chapter, and that was physical features of India. Right? We got to know about the major physiographic division of India. Right? India has a diverse physiographic division. Right? We have Himalayas also. We have northern plains also. We have a peninsular plateau also. We have Indian desert also. We have coastal plains and we have islands. And that is why India is said to be rich in biodiversity. India is said to be rich in flora and fauna as well. Why it is said to be rich in flora and fauna? Because of its diverse physiographic division. Right, because we have mountains also, we have plains also, we have plateaus also, we have desert also, and we have coastal plains as well. We have a diverse physiographic division, and this diverse physiographic division leads to the diverse flora and fauna. Then we have studied about the Himalayan mountains, the division of the mountains. And then you have got a homework, that was take reference from this image. Now this is the image. Now taking reference from the image, make a mini model on various types of landforms. Now division of Himalayas on the basis of region. The part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya. But it is also known as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from west to east respectively. The part of the Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon Himalayas. The Kali and Teesta rivers divide Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Teesta and Dihang river is known as Assam Himalayas. The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India, which is also known as the Purvanchal or the Eastern Hills and Mountains. The Purvanchal comprises the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills. Now, whatever we have read till now, right? Whatever we have read about the division of Himalayas on the basis of region. Now, we'll go through a map representation of the same. Now, if you see the map representation, this is your map representation. West-East division of Himalayas. Now, these are your Punjab Himalayas between Indus and Satluj. These are your Nepal Himalayas between Kali and Kosi rivers. These are your Kumaon Himalayas. Punjab Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas, your Nepal Himalayas. These are your Sikkim Himalayas. And these are your Assam Himalayas. Now your Teesta, Dihang, these are the rivers actually. Right? If you go through the map, river map of India, you can find the rivers flowing. Indus and Satluj, they flow here. Indus originates somewhere here and it flows into Pakistan and finally drains into the Arabian Sea. Right? Origination of Indus is in India, but its major portion it flows in Pakistan and finally it drains into Arabian Sea. So Indus and Satluj are the rivers which flow here in the north zone of India. So between Indus and Satluj rivers are your Punjab Himalayas. And as we move in the east to west, west to east direction, they are also known as Kashmir and Himachal Himalayas. Kumaon Himalayas are the ones which are between the Satluj and the Kali rivers. These are your Nepal Himalayas between Kali and Kosi rivers. This is the division, see. Right? This is your Sikkim Himalayas and these are your Assam Himalayas. So map depicting division of Himalayas. Now we'll go through it once again. The part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also regionally known as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from west to east respectively, right? They are known as Punjab Himalayas, but regionally they are also known as Kashmir and Himachal Himalayas. The part of Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumayu Himalayas. Now, where are your Kumayu Himalayas? These are the ones. Kumayu Himalayas, right? The Kali and Teesta rivers divide the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Teesta and the Dihang river is known as Assam Himalayas. These are your, between Teesta and Dihang, these are your, which Himalayas? These are your Assam Himalayas, right? And these are your Nepal Himalayas between Kali and Kosi. Now Nepal is there, na? There is discontinuity now. Nepal has come, right? Between Kali and Kosi rivers are your Nepal Himalayas. The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India, right? They take a sharp turn like this. These, right? This is the sharp turn we are talking about. So beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India, which is known as the Purvanchal or the Eastern Hills and Mountains. The Purvanchal comprises the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills and the Mizo Hills. Now class, what you will do is, you will go through these slides once again. Study the map thoroughly. Go through these slides once again. Do your homework as well, which was given to you yesterday. Right? This was the homework. Do your homework positively and submit it on time. Go through these slides once again, and if any query is there, you can raise your question on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.